As we move through the month of July, we also celebrate the 31st Police Community Relations Month with the theme, Sa Bagong Pilipinas, Ugnayang Pulis at Mamamayan, Tapat, Maasahan at Nararamdaman ng Bayan. This celebration, rooted in Proclamation number 783, dated April 12, 1996, originally designated January as the period for its observance. It was later amended by Presidential Proclamation number 764, moving the celebration to July of every year. A tradition we proudly continue to this day. This observance reminds us that the strength of the Philippine National Police is measured not only by our operational accomplishments, but also by the trust and confidence we build among the people we serve. By the authority vested in me as the ex-officio member of the National Police Commission, I hereby declare the celebration of the 31st Police Community Relations Month officially open. Let this celebration renew our commitment to become not only effective law enforcers, but also trusted partners of every Filipino. Together, let us continue building a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.